Hey everybody, it's Lon Seibin. We've got another unboxing. This is something that HP let us borrow for a couple of days. This is the Pavilion x360 14. It is a 2-in-1 Windows laptop that actually is pretty reasonably priced for what it is. So the one we're looking at here you can get for about $600 depending on the configuration and where you buy it from. This one's got an i5 processor. It's an 8265U. That's a quad-core device. I'll turn it on here real quick. It's got 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigabytes of solid-state storage. It's an M2 NVMe. It's got a 14-inch IPS 1080p display. It looks very nice, actually. Backlit keyboard here. Kind of checks all the boxes on things that we look for from a value standpoint. So it feels pretty nice in the hand here. The display seems to be pretty stable. You've got that 2-in-1 functionality, so you can kind of turn it into a tablet if you want, or have it be in display mode here on an airplane or something like that. So you've got a lot of different ways that you can use one of these 2-in-1s. The hinge feels really nice on it. Looks pretty nice too. So let's take a look at the ports, and then we're going to have a full review of this soon on the main channel at lon.tv. So we've got a full-size USB 3 port, a headphone microphone jack here. This is the exhaust for the fan. We'll test its thermal performance and how loud that fan is in the full review. Power switch here. Kensington lock, so if you are locking this down somewhere, you can do so. So if you're at college or something, you can just put one of those Kensington locks in there and keep it from walking away on you. Over here is a full-size SD card slot. And let's check it out and see if the cards go all the way in, because a lot of times they stick out, and this one goes all the way in. Pretty cool. USB-C port right here. They said that this does video and data, but not power delivery. So if you're connecting to a dock, you're still going to need to plug the power adapter into its spot there. You get another full-size USB 3 port along with a full-size HDMI port here as well. So lots of stuff here to look at in our full review that we'll be doing very shortly on the main channel at lon.tv. But my first impression for a $600 laptop, it's a pretty good machine here. So let's see if it holds up in our full review evaluation. Stay tuned. We'll have more to come on this very shortly at lon.tv.
This channel is brought to you by the lon.tv supporters, including gold-level supporters, the 4 Guys with Quarters podcast, emudev.org, Tom Albrecht, Brian Parker, and Kalyan Kumar. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to lon.tv/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit lon.tv/s.